Has anyone ever heard of the B15 by NUU? Well, let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I got another unboxing for you, and it's the B15 by a phone company called NUU. Not NEW, but NUU. Never heard of a phone company called NUU before, but I was scrolling through Amazon looking at some good gaming phones that might be cool for the channel, and I stumbled on the B15. So without further ado, let's check this phone out and get into an unboxing. Let's check out the box first. Packaging feels a little hefty. Maybe that means we get a charger in the package this time. So looking forward to that. But just going around the box itself, it looks like it's a multi-lens camera on the back of this phone. So it says multi-lens photography. This phone has a 6.7 inch full HD display, and it's a 90 hertz refresh rate. So the S22 Ultra has 120 hertz. So 90 hertz is not that far off. I'm wondering if it will feel just as smooth, but we shall see. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, this particular model, with 5,000 milliamp batteries. So I'm definitely looking forward to this right here. Haven't had too much issue with the battery life on the S22 Ultra, and that one also has 5,000 milliamps. So we should be good with this one too. And it also has fast charging. So just going around the box, B15. Let's see some of the specs. 6.7 inch for the display, Cortex up to 2.0 gigahertz it looks like, and it's an octa-core for the CPU, so that should be decent. Front facing camera, 8 megapixel, 4 gigabytes for the RAM like we said, and then 5,000 milliamp battery. So all right, enough of the specs. Batman's tired of it, I'm tired of it. Let's get into unboxing. Boxing knife. Side. Appreciate all you guys for subscribing. The channel's been growing like crazy. Just want to tell you guys that at the 100 sub mark, I will be doing the giveaway for the Game Seer controller. So if you're interested in that, probably follow me on Twitter. I'll be leaving that link. Just started the Twitter page, so look for more information on that. Nice. So this phone feels really nice and solid in the hand, but let's just toss the phone to the side for now and see what else we get in the box. Move this over too. Look at that, I already see a charger, so definitely worth it. And guys, this phone was only about $200 from Amazon, so I see the charger in the box. Phone feels solid just on first impressions, so I can't complain. It might definitely be worth the price. Get a free protective case. So maybe you're supposed to go to the website here, fill in the required information, and it looks like NUU will send you a protective case. Cool. NUU. These actually look like stickers. So nice little touch. B15, make sure you read this. You might find out some stuff you didn't know. Get a SIM ejector tool. Charging cable. Looks like USB type C to USB type A. So standard stuff. And then you get the charging brick. Something the major popular manufacturer companies for phones are not doing anymore. So shout out to NUU for including the charger. Just a typical charger. Nothing too special, but it does say it's fast charging. So there's that. Then let's set the phone here. Be sure we didn't miss anything in the box. That's it for the box. Let's take a look at this phone. So it again gives you all the specs you need on the phone. This does look very familiar. Kind of looks like an iPhone. Can't even lie to you, but it feels great. This back feels like a glass back. Nice and reflective. Pretty sure it's going to be a fingerprint magnet, but it simply says NUU. Not bad. Is this a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack? That's like a relic. I don't know when's the last time I seen one of these on a phone. Shout out to NUU. NUU's winning right now. Speaker grill on the bottom. Where you charge your phone at here. Fingerprint scanner on this side. And SIM ejector, or where you would put your SIM card in. So guys, let's power this up, see if we got some juice. So it looks like you gotta hold where where the touch print is for you to turn the phone on. All right, so it looks like we got some juice in this phone, and what we're going to do is just run a quick benchmark test, do a camera test, sound quality from the speakers, and then let me just see, since I have this MGX Pro on here on my desk. Not sure if you guys seen the video on the MGX Pro, but definitely loving this controller. Let's see if the new B15 can fit in here. Look at that. Fits perfectly. So all right guys, I'll put my information in here and then we can run through just a benchmark test, sound quality, maybe some gaming. I'll see you guys in a second. All right guys, I got my information thrown into the B15. Let's go ahead and do a quick camera test and then we'll do a benchmark test. I'm just gonna snap a picture of whatever we have sitting on my desk here. Let's go into the camera. Then I'll throw this picture up so you guys can see. Let me snap another one. Go back to the picture here. See if you guys can see. Not bad quality. Now it's supposed to be a 48 megapixel camera on the back of this phone. So not too bad. Not complaining for $200. All right, let's go ahead and load up a benchmark test so you guys can see. So it's gonna be Geekbench 5 test. Let's go ahead and run that and see what we get. I'm not expecting a whole lot, but then again, we had some decent specs on the phone, so it might just surprise us. All right guys, it looks like this benchmark test is almost complete. And there it is, it completed. So let's see what we get. So it looks like for the single core score, you get 364. And for the multi-core score, you get 1,315, which I'm actually kind of surprised at the multi-core score. I didn't think it'd be this high for a $200 budget phone. And as you see, it is running Android 11. So not too bad. Take this with a grain of salt, but in case you were wondering, here you go. All right, guys, let's jump right into speaker test and then let's do some gaming. So, see, got the page loaded up here so we can test the quality of the speaker. Not bad. And it's a bottom firing speaker, single bottom firing speaker. If you guys see the speaker here. Shameless plug, guys. But yeah, not bad for a single firing speaker. I'm kind of used to having dual speakers, one up top and one bottom, but not bad. But let's see what happens if you actually cover the speaker. You see how muted that is? But all right guys, let's get into some gaming. All right guys, we're back. I hope you enjoyed some of that gaming. The MG Pro is actually a pretty good gaming controller if you guys are interested. But back to the B15. All in all, so far this phone is not a bad phone at all. This is a $200 phone that comes with a charger. It kind of reminds me of an iPhone. It has a glass back, 4 cameras on the back. One of them is 48 megapixels. So this is not a bad phone at all. It is pretty smooth just going through the phone. It's running Android 11 and it does have tap to wake, a fingerprint sensor, and also face unlock. So I would probably recommend this phone to somebody, especially if you want a mid-range budget phone and don't want to spend $1,500 on a smartphone. I'd go with NUU. Shout out to NUU. Good job with this phone. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.